Welcome. If you've been getting unwanted event suggestion notifications on your Facebook page and want to turn them off, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps to disable event suggestions notifications on the Facebook app on your PC with the latest update. First, open the Facebook app on your computer. Once the app is up and running, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile photo. This will open a small menu with various options. From that menu, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. This will expand to show more options. Click on Settings to open the main settings page. On the left-hand side of the settings page, you'll see a list of categories. Find and click on Notifications. This section controls everything related to how and when Facebook notifies you. Within the Notifications menu, look for Events. Click on it to see all notification settings connected to events. This is where event suggestions notifications live. Now, to disable those suggestions, find the option labeled Suggestions and toggle it off. This will stop Facebook from sending you notifications about events you might be interested in or suggested events that pop up on your page. And that's all there is to it. After turning off this setting, you should no longer receive those event suggestion notifications cluttering your alerts. Disabling these notifications is a great way to keep your Facebook experience cleaner and more focused on what really matters to you. If you ever want to re-enable event suggestions, just follow these steps again and toggle the setting back on. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.